In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by opening one of your apps to use in split screen view, and then leaving it open in the background. Following that, select the second app, and this time access background apps. Now decide which app you wish to use at the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. Now tap on Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!